this is Stacy
and Tim
from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. We're starting out this week on Monday. I have tried a new recipe in the Instant Pot for a jambalaya. I have filmed it. If someone will taste it for me and tell me if it's any good, we will share it if it came out. I sort of took two recipes and combined them. Also made a big salad, and we've got some of the cheese bread or cheese sticks left over from this weekend's pizza night, so we're just using that rather than Texas toast or garlic bread. So Instant Pot jambalaya, new recipe, is what's for dinner tonight. Tuesday night we had another track meet for my great niece. This one was scheduled to be near us. We all got there. Unfortunately, she had injured her shoulder and wasn't able to pole vault and ended up not running, but the whole family that got together to cheer her on went out to eat. We went to a local place that has great burgers, but they're under new management, and I was personally very disappointed in the rest of the food. We got a lot of appetizers, edamame, loaded fries, fried dill pickles, fried avocados, and a lot of different food. The sliders that I ordered and my nephew ordered were terrible. The big burgers everybody said was good, but I was very disappointed in the rest of it. It was great to see family and great to see our great niece, but the food was very disappointing. Wednesday night I put something in my slow cooker that I've made and shared on the channel before. I'll leave a link to it below and in the iCard above. It's called Slow Cooker Thai Chicken. I did some wide rice vermicelli noodles on the stove and some of the P.F. Chang's mini chicken egg rolls from Sam's Club. This was our first time to taste them. They were quite good. You can use boneless breasts or boneless thighs and just mix this sauce up in the crock pot and let it cook. It is in no way authentic, but it's very tasty and works well over any kind of noodle. So we had sort of an Asian dinner on Wednesday. I garnished the Thai chicken with some chopped up pecans and some green onions. You can also use cilantro. I'll leave it out. And that's what's for dinner tonight. It's Thursday night. That means leftovers in our house, but you can hear the air fryer running. I decided to take the Oreos that I had bought at Kroger several weeks ago that surprisingly remained unopened in my house, and finally get around to making air fryer Oreos again. So that's what's for dessert. On Thursday, we're probably going to eat some leftovers. Not very exciting, jambalaya or the slow cooker Thai chicken. So that's what's for dinner and dessert tonight. I had this wonderful guy ask me out on date night, so we tried a new Mediterranean place near us. We started off with this fried kibbe, which was delicious. I tried the chicken shawarma, which was wonderful, and this is hands down the best hummus I've ever tasted. Our little plates came with some rice pilaf and a little salad. Tim got the gyro meat, and they brought out warm pita bread they just made. It was fantastic, and we will definitely go back. I felt like baking, so I've made some cookies to take to our Sunday school and church buddies. Saturday night, we're just having a simple supper. We're going to start using those potatoes from Kroger. We've got loaded baked potatoes and a really big salad, quick and easy. That's going to end this week's What's for Dinner. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook, y'all. Hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. See you in the next video.